Hello everyone, welcome to your Ignition Martial Arts tutorial. I am Alvin Brown, owner of Ignition Martial Arts Academy. This tutorial is going to be one of many tutorials that will be filmed throughout San Diego, which is where our martial arts school is located. Although this tutorial is a very powerful tool, it is not meant to replace your in-person class training, so make sure you attend your classes regularly to accompany this tutorial. That being said, let's get to the video. Once again, welcome to the tutorial. Today we will be going over the traditional form of Joong Gun. Joong Gun is named after the patriot Joong Gun. The 32 movements represent his age at the time of his death. This is an intermediate advanced form, has very symmetrical movements. If you're doing a particular technique on one side, you're more than likely be doing it off the other side as well, which makes this a fairly easy form to learn for intermediates or advanced. We do, in fact, recommend that you break down some of the more difficult movements in the form and just rep those particular techniques out. Therefore, the form will look a little bit cleaner, and it'll be a little bit easier to perform should you compete or test with it. So once we start the breakdown, we're going to slow the form down to about 50% so we can give you the names of the techniques. That being said, let's begin. So we're going to start with our traditional regular bow. From there, we're going to go into our ready stance, which is our hidden fist with the knees slightly bent. The fist will be right at the abdomen area, right at the center. From there, we're going to turn to our left, go into a back stance, inverted ridge hand, followed by a front kick off the front leg, full stepping forward into a cat stance, upward palm block. From there, we're going to execute those same techniques to the other side. Inverted ridge hand, front kick off the front leg, full step forward into a cat stance, upward palm block. From there, we're going to turn to our left towards the front, double knife hand block, shifting into an upward elbow front stance. Same techniques off the other side. From there, we're going to full step forward into a front stance, high double strike. From there, a double upset punch. From here, we're going to step that leg in and then step to the back into a front stance, high X block. From there, we step in, step out to the left into a back stance, back fist, shifting into a front stance, reverse punch. From there, we step to our right and execute those same movements, back fist, shifting into a front stance, reverse punch. From there, we're going to bring our feet in, step out to a front stance, Sung Soo block or two-hand block. From there, we do a side punch horse stance into a turning side kick. From there, we land down, same three movements, Sung Soo block, front stance, into a horse stance side punch, followed by a turning side kick, where we land into a back stance, double guarding block. From there, we're going to do a tension palm twisting block. From there, we're going to step forward, back stance, double guarding block again, into that same tension palm block. From here, we're going to look to our left, step our back leg in into a hook punch. From there, we're going to chamber and step out into a back stance stick block. From here, we slide our feet in and step to the other side, back stance stick block, which is our final move. We return to our ready stance and attention and bow. And that concludes the tutorial for Joong Gun. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.